Good morning, Frank Ehrhardt, John R. Wood Properties, Christie's International. It is early June, and I wanted to give you the latest real estate market update for Southwest Florida. So overall for the market, inventory is way up. So if you take a look at this first graph, number of listings are up 40% from the prior year, while sales are down actually about 11% from the prior year, again, for Lee and Collier County. If you take a look at sales prices are actually down about 1%. Time on market has exploded. It is up about 91% from prior year. So we're seeing somewhere in that 40 to 50 days overall for the market. Before we take a look at the individual areas, let's take a look at what the headlines are from the news and what's driving some of our market. So this first one here, U.S. house sellers are cutting prices for the first time in over a year. Here in Southwest Florida, I think we've been seeing that for probably the last 6 months, so that's not a big surprise for us. This next one, and this is everybody's got their eyes on this, hurricane season may be more dangerous than ever this year due to rising ocean temperatures. And so hurricane season starts June 1st and runs through November 1st. Let's hope for a quiet year. I know there's quite a few sellers and buyers that are kind of waiting patiently to see what's going to happen with hurricane season this year. Interest rates. So this is an interesting one. I hadn't seen this before. Pressure mounts on the Fed as Eurozone Canada plan interest rate cuts this week. And so our Fed has said probably not in July, and so maybe there's going to be one cut before the election cycle, but we're certainly not going to see multiple cuts this year as it stands right now. And then finally, for Florida, for a homeowner's insurance, a little bit of good news. We're seeing more and more companies come into the marketplace, and so this headline: are Florida homeowners insurance rates going up? Maybe not. Here's what we know. All right, so let's take a look at the individual areas that we cover here. So Cape Coral, let's start with. Sales price is down about 5% from the year, and time to sell is up about 88%. It's up around 55 days right now to sell a home in Cape Coral. Active number of listings, that is up 41% from the prior year, while the actual number of sales in the month of May were down about 2%. Moving over to Fort Myers, sales are down about 5%, and the time to sell, again, up in that 45 to 55 days, is up significantly from last year. Active number of listings, Fort Myers, you're up 43%. Sales are down 15%. Over to Fort Myers Beach, sales prices are down 6%. Days on market up 217%. I think this one's over 90 days now for Fort Myers Beach, which is quite a bit higher than historically it has been. Active number of listings up 11%, sales down 21%. And then Sandcap, sales prices down 9%. Days to sell up 155%. Active number of listings up 28%. And the number of sales on Sandcap were equal to prior year with 37 for each month. So what is selling right now? There are some motivated sellers out there. Buyers are looking for bargains or things that show extremely well and that are priced extremely aggressively. And so those are the houses that are selling right now. Condos is a very slow market right now. HOA fees have gone up drastically, primarily due to insurance. And so in all markets, we're very much in a buyer's market. So I think there are opportunities. If you're a buyer, there are going to be some opportunities for you over the next 3 to 6 months to get into a great home here in Southwest Florida. Sellers, you got to be priced at the lower end of the range if you want to get activity. This is the first time we've actually held open houses where we're not getting anybody through. Also the first time in a long time where we put listings up and we don't get showings, and so that is almost unheard of, and I'm hearing that pretty consistently amongst a lot of the agents. So that's the update for this month. I hope everybody has a great summer, and I'll update you next month. Thanks so much.